He said he's quoted in the Observer this morning as saying, this party is going to be run with discipline, not like in the early 90s, when man a lick down man out here and all of that. Those days are over. This is a new leadership style of a man that I'm telling you is worthy of respect and good order. Samuda told his constituents who had gathered at the gate of the JLP headquarters on Belmont Road in St. Andrew, shortly after they exited a Toyota Coaster bus that had taken them there. You think he's coming here to batter through crowd like old-time business? That is not the politics of today or tomorrow. If you want to do me a favor, Samuda says, I know exactly what you have done, exactly what you are worth, but I don't want you here. I don't want the Prime Minister to come and see that my constituents are out here. Please go home, Samuda appealed. One of the supporters said, okay, Mr. Samuda, uttering as she walked away. When him get dark, him get really dark, you know. That is what she said of Samuda. I put an end to that, and everything is fine. I am satisfied with the meeting because the Prime Minister capsuled everything in the appropriate way and gave the appropriate advice. I'm very satisfied.